What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Occupied. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something that I haven't tried out in a long time, so I think I am going to start trying some of this out because on the side of my house I have a cat pooping on the side of my house, because on the side of my house I have sand and like dirt. And this year I'm planning on putting gravel on the side of the house, so I'm pretty sure that will stop this year. But now the cats are used to pooping on the side of the house where the sand basically is like a sandbox on the side of my house. Anyways, that's blah blah blah. So right here we have Repels-All, and over here is Bonide. So right here it says satisfaction guaranteed. Usually when this stuff don't work, you could probably go ahead and return it. I know with Scott's seeds and stuff like that, if you still have the receipt, then they'll own up with the receipt if your grass don't grow and stuff like that. So usually when it says satisfaction guaranteed, that's what they mean. So this thing's supposed to repel many animals, chipmunks, crows, birds, beavers, and stuff like that. Now this stuff is not intended to harm animals. It says lasts up to 2 months right there. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that I did get this from COSTCO, 20 bucks, not that bad. We are going to check most of the repellent stuff in Lowe's and Home Depot, like everywhere. Like repellent is expensive, but it says it lasts 2 months, and we're just going to see how it lasts through the day, and then I'll give y'all an update 2 months from now to see if it lasts 2 months from now. All right, so directions for use. I will actually post a picture of all this. I'll put it on the screen, and you could pause the screen because I'm not going to read everything to y'all. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you're not completely satisfied, please submit a refund request. This is a granulant, okay, you guys? So this is not no spray. It's not a powder. It should be like little pebbles. Now this goes in your spreader. It has the coverage area here. So you put down what you want to put down, okay? That goes with grass seed. That goes with weed and feed. Just look at what the settings say. If you want to do a little bit more per square foot, then do a little bit more per square foot. That's your choice. I don't have my scissors, so we're gonna work with what we got. This is almost close to powder, you guys. So I'm gonna show it to y'all. Whew, stinks. Ugh. Should have wore a mask. You guys wear a mask when you're dealing with this stuff. So that's how small it is. Very, very, very tiny. All right. Ooh, and it stinks. Ah, golly. Ugh. Oh, you guys, I gotta put a mask on or something. That stuff is, oh my goodness. I don't think nobody gonna go past that. It's gonna repel everybody. Lord. Okay, you guys, so we're about to feed some squirrels. Well, that's if the squirrels eat. And I know people gonna be like, damn, you feed birds, you feed squirrels, you feed everything. Well, it's a big ecosystem back here. It's the circle of life. Now the peanuts smell really good. Got these from COSTCO. It's actually cheaper to get peanuts from COSTCO and Sam's Club. It's like $5 per bag. Better than getting peanuts for animals, which be like $10 to $15 per bag. And don't worry, it's not salted. Not gonna harm the squirrels. The reason why I put food over there in the corner is because mice come out, right? And mice like food. And most of the mice that come over the corner over there, they die because they fall into my little pond over there. And I shovel them out and throw them back in the woods, and maybe the raccoon to eat them. But yeah, so most of the mice that come in my yard, they die because they fall in the pond at nighttime. Just a little backstory for y'all. I got the GoPro set out. I got y'all set up. I think I might even change my clothes and put some work clothes on because that stuff stinks. I might even put some water shoes on. But that stuff ain't no joke, you guys. It's been 5 days since I put the treatment down for the animal repellent that we got from COSTCO. Now, it has not been a squirrel for what I've seen. and I am really looking over the video footage. I'm scheming through, see if any squirrels came or anything. So the squirrels are staying close to the bird feeder over there. All right, well, right there. All right, so they're staying close to the bird feeder. They have not came into this area, the treatment area, which is very interesting. Very, very interesting, because my squirrels love nuts. Like, they will, if I put the nuts out there, I guarantee you it will be gone by the end of the day. I had the bag on their food, their little house food, the squirrel food holder. I put it out there every morning all the way until evening time, when it's, especially when it's about to get dark, and nothing. This stuff really works. Let's go ahead and check out this movie. All right, you guys, so the squirrels are taunting me now. So as y'all know, I had this stuff out here 7 days, okay? 7 days. So right now I'm just gonna put a little bit around the area just to see if they will come back. He might not come back since I'm out here right now, but we will see. I'm gonna put a little bit more nuts out there. All right, you guys, let's see what happens now. All right, you guys, so we are at the fourth quarter of the Repel-All pet, well, not pet repellent, well, animal repellent, okay? So Repel-All. Now, I'm going to say it works and I'm going to say it don't work. Very interesting doing this little test that I did. I actually had fun with it, and I would love to do more of these tests with animal repellent. I need to get me a nighttime camera a night vision camera too. So I'll be definitely on the lookout for that. When I first put this in, I didn't water it in. It will tell you you should water it in, lightly water it in when you put it in. I didn't do that because it was literally going to rain a couple of hours after I put it in. So I was like, and plus it's winter time, so I'm not opening the spigot. No, I'm not doing all that. So I saw that it was ready to rain, so I went on and put it down. Now, on here it says if it frequently rains, you have to reapply. Let me go ahead and read it to y'all real quick. All right, right here. It says directions for use. I will put it there and we can just read along. All right, so directions for use. It says Repellent-All will last up to 2 months. However, to achieve maximum effectiveness, follow the application's instructions listed below. Lightly water the granulates in after applications, which is something that we didn't do because it was already going to rain. After application, if no rain or irrigation is expected. You see that? So if there was no rain or irrigation expected, then you don't have to water it in. All right. And it says to maintain effectiveness, reapplication is recommended after heavy or frequent rainfall. Now, I think that's where the squirrels really came in, because when I put this down, it rained a little bit, right? It rained a little bit, but then like 2 or 3 days later, it started pouring down like crazy. And I was like, maybe I need to go ahead and reapply. But I was like, let me see how this goes. Let me see how this plans out. So believe it or not, the squirrels actually came and got the food. And I don't know, maybe this stuff, I don't know if it washes away or washes the scent of it away. Don't really explain that. And if it does explain that, I'm not reading this whole thing. I like this test that I did, and I would like to do more. I do need to get a night vision camera. So I will be on the lookout for getting one of those. That way we can test out to see if this actually work with the raccoons also. So yeah, I don't have too many raccoons, but I do have, I think, about 3 of them that I see, 3 or 4. So not really in the yard, but you know, you don't really see them go in your yard until nighttime when they actually scavenging for food. Anyways, all this is blah, 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 blah. If you like this experiment product test, please leave a like so it can go through the YouTube algorithm so many more people can see the video and actually see if they want to buy this product or not. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And that will be it. Like, comment, subscribe.